how to empty the picture gallery recycle bin to permanently delete all photos and videos. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in here, make sure you go back to your main screen, and at the bottom, tap on the menu button. From the pop-up here, tap on recycle bin. Then tap on the more button at the top here and tap on empty. Then tap on delete. Now it will give you a warning saying that permanently delete 12 items. So tap on the delete button once you have confirmed. And finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.